Want to create professional AI video-expensive software? In this step-by-step guide, I'll show you the complete workflow from idea to final video using AI tools. You now know the complete AI video creation workflow from start to finish. Practice each step, experiment with different ideas, and keep improving your results. Start by creating a high-quality image with an AI image generator. Write a clear prompt describing your subject, lighting, camera angle, and style, then choose the best image for your video. Before creating your video, enhance and upscale your image. A sharper, high-quality image helps AI generate smoother motion and more realistic cinematic results. Upload your enhanced image, write a detailed motion prompt, then generate your AI video. Describe the camera movement and scene clearly for the best cinematic result. Write a clear script, choose a natural US English voice, preview the audio, and export it. A clear, natural voice helps your video sound more professional and easier to follow. Write a clear script, choose a natural US English voice, preview the audio, and export it. A clear, natural voice helps your video sound more professional and easier to follow. Import your AI video, voiceover, and background music into your editor. Add captions, smooth transitions, and keep the music lower than the voice so every word stays clear. When your edit is finished, export the video in high quality. Choose the settings that best match the platform where you plan to share your content. Before publishing, watch your video from start to finish. Check your visuals, audio, captions, and timing to make sure everything looks clean, clear, and professional. Now upload your video, choose a clear title, add a custom thumbnail, write a helpful description, review your settings, and publish when everything is ready. Here's my complete AI content workflow. ChatGPT for ideas, Crea AI for images, Haluo AI for videos, CapCut for editing, YouTube Studio for publishing.